Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here is my homework number 8. Many children want to buy computers because they like to play computer games, but they don't know playing computer games for a long time is bad for their eyes. If we look round, you can see many children to wear glasses when they are 6 or 7 years old. So parents and teachers should tell those children not to play at the computers for a long time. Computers are very useful and computer games are very interesting. But we should take good care of our eyes. Now, let me practice about pronunciation. Funny, you're so funny. Food, don't waste food. Fix, please fix it immediately. First, today went first. Find your passion. Find your passion. You cannot find your passion. First, I'm leaving first. I'm leaving first. Now, vote. Vote. Vote for me, please. Vac. She wants to be a vac. Vacuum. Bring me the vacuum cleaner. Give. I never give up. We never give up. Save. Please save yourself. Please save yourself. Wave. I wave her goodbye. I wave her goodbye. That's all about my homework number 8. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.